Okay then guys, thanks Trade Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video. I'm at Exeter St David's on this Sunday afternoon. As you just saw go out there a minute ago was a South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. 159001 and 159019. So in this video we'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, Crosscountry and you just saw South Western Railway. Here we have a cross-country service to Leeds, which will be going any time now. Got some late customers getting on. We'll just go down here to see this one go out. It's 221140 is the number on this one. Now, I did do a video at Exeter St David's last weekend. I did something different. I went to Barnstable, did a little train journey there. That was rather nice, something different. So yeah. Another late customer. I didn't make the train, unfortunately. No train waits for anyone that is late, unfortunately. Okay, that's that one. What else do we have? We have an IET on platform 5. I'm assuming that terminated in from London Paddington. Here we have a double 150. It's terminated in from Exmouth. It's the 150-266. I think it's 247 at the front. So I did have a little look on that one before starting the video. I see something up in the far distance. Is that? There's the 150 going out. I think we have a freight train coming down. Now this is one of the freight trains that is on the engineer's line. Also, as you know, the line in between Exeter and Plymouth is closed due to essential work. I think there's some essential work going on at Dawlish. So yeah. So I don't know if this is early or late, but either way, a nice little bonus here. I didn't expect this. What platform was it going through? I think it's gone on to platform 1. And it's a GBRF. (66-738). I just saw a town name on it. You have to let me know what this freight train was carrying. Maybe ballast or maybe old rails or whatever, something like that, I reckon. I think that is going through. It's still on the way up. Yep, indeedy, it is going through. I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling. Don't often see a freight train going through platform 1. I'm assuming it did that because obviously the double 150 was on this platform. That cross-country service was on platform 4, so the freight couldn't go through 4, and obviously there's an IET on platform 5. So yeah, the only platform that it could have gone through was platform 1. Nice little bonus there, guys. I'm going to have to get back to you on that freight train. I don't know if that freight train is actually early or late. So, yeah. Now before I come back into the video, as you can see, Exeter St David's, while the engineer works has been happening, then obviously, you know, if there's engineer works, not many people will be travelling by train. They've had the cheeky opportunity to start painting the pillars, as you can see. It's all in the old green and white now, looking very good. A much needed lick of paint, because St David's does need a bit of a touch up, I will admit. Now I don't know if they're going to do anything to the walls over there. Actually, as you can see, the walls over there are still blue and white. I'm assuming that they would probably change that to a green, unless they are only doing the lamppost pillars, shall we say. I think they may do the walls over there. I'm not sure. Will they get up onto the roof there and start doing the roof? Actually, see the roof tiles are starting to get a bit rusty, and yeah, interested to see how Exeter St David's gets done out. Anyway, guys, we will come back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay, guys, back in the video here at Exeter St David's. As you can see, a Great Eastern Railway service from Barnstable to Exeter Central just arrived. The 166-204. There you go. Bus service to Newton Abbot. God. All these pointless announcements every time. Bloody hell. So yeah, that's the Great Eastern Railway service to Exeter Central from Barnstable. We should have a South Western Railway service from London Waterloo coming in shortly, terminating in from London Waterloo. So just clarify, that freight train you saw a minute ago, guys, was indeed about an hour and a half late. So, you know, in the grand scheme of things, that was a nice bonus, because if it came through on time, I wouldn't have got it. So, yeah, nice little bonus that was. So, whether to keep the camera rolling or not. There's going to be a Great Eastern Railway service to London Paddington departing on platform 6 in a minute. I don't think I'm going to get down to see that.
The next bus to depart from the front of the
Oh,
station.
there she is. There's the South Western Railway service from London Waterloo coming in.
Service to Newton Abbot.
Yeah, obviously last weekend the South Western Railway trains didn't run due to the line actually being closed in the Exeter way as well. So, you know, it's good to see that they are running. 159010. 59007 at the back. I think my only criticism about South Western Railway trains is they don't have charge-up points in the normal standard class, which is a bit bloody weird, don't you think? I mean, it's kind of weird to design trains without any power sockets, which is you need power sockets, especially if you're going on a long distance trip. You need to go on your laptop or anything. You need power sockets on trains. So yeah, it's a bit strange that they don't have them. They only have them in first class, which is you know, I think they need them in standard class as well, without saying. So yeah, anyway, I think we'll be back in a few seconds and we'll see this turbo go out to Exeter Central. Okay guys, we're quickly back in the video, and we do have indeed that turbo is indeed now leaving to go to Exeter Central. Okay, that's that one. So looks like this is a double 80. Yeah, it's a double 80. Looks like this will be the 1812 service to London Paddington. So whether I'll be here at that time, I don't know. I should be here at that time to see it go out. So yeah, just clarify on that one. So we will be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, we are back in the video, and coming in now is a terminating Great Western Railway service from Exeter. Normally they go to Payton, but as you know, the line is closed. This is 15207. And 261. And that there is a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, which I think is finally left on platform 6. So that one's actually left really late for some reason, I don't know why. This will be going to London Paddington itself at 1812. I am planning to see that go out. So yeah, we'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back in the video, and back to the part. We'll be that Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. It's a double IT. And there should be another IET coming in shortly from London Paddington. (802.014) is at the front. (802.003) at the back. Okay, we're going to stick around guys, because there should be another IET coming in shortly from London Paddington, like I said. So we will come back shortly with that train. Okay guys, we are quickly back in the video, and indeed that Great Western Railway service to London Paddington is coming in now. I believe it is on time as well. I think this is going on to platform 5, because I believe it's going on platform 5. It's 800.005. With 800.006, so 800.005 and 800.006. And it looks like we have that South Western Railway train coming in from the new yard as well. So we'll might as well keep the camera rolling for that. We'll make this the we'll make this the last train of the video. Not a bad length of video actually, considering there's not all trains are running as normal. I've made a pretty decent sized video, I will admit. And obviously the nice bonus of that freight train. Okay, well, down on platform 3, there's the Barnstable train. That's the return of that 166204. But I won't see that go out. So as that South Western Railway train comes in, I will leave it here at Exeter St David's on this Sunday afternoon. Well, that's about Sunday evening now. It's about 6:15. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Nice little, I gotta admit, a nice little selection of trains from the IET to the Voyager, South Western Railway train, turbo, double 150s, and we saw a freight train as well. So a nice little selection of trains. So my next video will be next weekend, guys. Again, I'm not sure the situation where I'm gonna film, because as you know, the line is still closed, will still be closed in between Exeter and Plymouth, so we'll play it by here. So let us know what you think of this video in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave a big fat like, and until next time, from me here at Exeter St David's, I shall see you all soon, guys. Take care.